In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use namespaces in Logseq. Namespaces are a simple way to organize your notes into clear hierarchies, so related pages live together in a structure that's easy to browse and remember. Think of them like folders for your ideas, created right inside your links, without any complicated setup. First, open Logseq. You can use either the desktop app or the web version. Just make sure you're in the graph where you want this organization to live. Once you're in, we'll capture everything right where most people work by default. Next, click on Journals. The journal is a convenient place to quickly add links and notes as part of your daily workflow. You can create namespaces in any page, but using the journal keeps the process simple and lets you evolve your structure as you think. Don't worry, anything you link here will still create proper pages in your graph that you can revisit later. Now, in your journal entry, type a link using double square brackets. Inside those brackets, type the name you want, using forward slashes to represent the hierarchy. The format looks like this: top level, mid-level, final page. The slashes tell Logseq how to nest pages. This is the entire trick to namespaces. The brackets make a page link, and the slashes define where that page sits inside your structure. Let's use a concrete example so you can see it in action. Type books/productivity deep work and close the brackets. Logseq automatically recognizes this as a hierarchical path and creates the namespace for you. That means you now have a top-level page called Books, inside it a sub-page called Books Productivity, and inside that, the final page, Books Productivity Deep Work. Each level is its own page you can reference later, and together they form a clean, navigable hierarchy. What makes this powerful is consistency. By using clear, predictable names, you can group related topics without clutter. For instance, anytime you read a new title in the same category, you can link it under Books, Productivity, and know exactly where it fits. This also keeps backlinks meaningful because every reference points to the right level of detail, whether you want the broad category or the specific note. A quick tip on naming: use concise, descriptive words and keep your slashes intentional. Hyphens are helpful for multi-word titles, as in deep work, while the slashes handle the structure. With this approach, your notes remain discoverable, scalable, and effortless to maintain over time.